Hi, welcome to MobilBid Learn, silent auction tutorials, complete auction setup and management training sessions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure your auction message templates and messaging settings. To configure your invoice settings, watch the video, How to Set Up Invoices for Your Event. Next, click on Message Templates. Custom messages allow you to design your own messages that you would like to broadcast to your guests whenever you want. Select any message to edit it. When customizing a message, you can edit the subject and message of the email, and body text for SMS messages. Click Update Auction Message Template when done to save. Automated messages are messages that are automatically broadcast at certain points in the auction. The automated messages are pre-filled with messages. But MobilBid recommends you customize them with the name of your event and organization. By customizing the messages, your guests will recognize the messages as coming from you or your event. Do not modify the special code which adds custom content into your message, such as name and links to important web pages. Click Update Auction Message Template when finished to save. Invoice ready, payment receipt and invoice generated are particularly important. Be sure to customize those. Payment receipt is only generated if you have set up Stripe as your payment method. Go back to settings when done. And lastly, click on Messaging Settings. Here, you can customize the reply to address and the sender name that the email messages will appear to come from. Click on Update Messaging Configuration to save. Thank you. You have now completed the configuration of your auction. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to test your auction.